In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list on eBay Canada step by step. So whether you're a seasoned seller or completely new to the platform, this guide is designed to make the process smooth and straightforward. To begin, open your favorite web browser and navigate to ebay.ca. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll see an option labeled My eBay. Hover over it and from the drop-down menu select Selling. This will take you to your seller's dashboard, the central hub for managing all your eBay listings and sales activities. On the seller's dashboard, you'll find a tab labeled Listings. Click this tab and look for the option that says Create Listing. This is where your journey to listing your item begins. Now think about the item you're planning to sell. Type a clear description of it in the space provided. For instance, if you're selling a GoPro Hero 9, just type that in. Here's where eBay lends a helping hand. Based on your description, eBay will suggest the most suitable categories for your item. Be sure to pick the one that precisely matches what you're selling, as this will make your item easier for potential buyers to find. Next, select the condition of your item. Options typically range from new to various levels of used. Once you've done that, click Continue to Listing to proceed to the next step, which involves filling in the details of your listing. Your title and photos play a significant role in catching buyers' attention. A descriptive, keyword-rich title like GoPro Hero 9 Black 5K, Action Camera plus Accessories helps in optimizing search results. Ensure you upload real, high-quality photos of the item. Avoid using only stock images, as buyers appreciate seeing the actual product they'll receive. Now let's dive into item specifics. Here you'll include vital details like brand, model and condition, along with any other details relevant to the product. If applicable, note the color, size and specific features of your item. Remember, giving more information helps potential buyers make informed decisions and can enhance trust. Moving on to the description, this is your opportunity to be both honest and comprehensive. Clearly describe the condition, features, and exactly what is included in the sale. If there are any defects or signs of wear, it's crucial to mention these to manage customer expectations and avoid potential disputes. Next, choose your pricing strategy. Decide whether you want to auction your item or set a fixed buy it now price. Each choice has its merits depending on your sales strategy and urgency. Finally, configure your shipping details. Specify the shipping method and cost, choosing from options like Canada Post, UPS or FedEx to suit your preference and the buyer's needs. Once you're satisfied with all the details, you have two choices. Click List It to make your item live on eBay, or hit Save as Draft if you want to continue editing and list it at a later time. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to successfully listing on eBay Canada.